Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Meet Sabachen. I am Mercado, the seller of the MCA Home. So today, i-update ko po kayo sa construction ni The Oriana. Okay po? Hello po, so kumusta po kayo? So, as of September 2024, currently nasa 31% completion na po si The Oriana. So ito right now, nandito ako sa South Tower ni Infinite Towers yan. Nasa likod ko sa enclosed sky lounge natin. Okay? So, for the update po, 31%, kung napanood din nyo yung intro natin, ang taas na ni The Oriana North Tower. Okay? So, parang last month, nasa 20 plus floors pa lang siya. Pero right now, meron akong video na nasa 30 second ako na doon sa clip, nasa ano siya. Ang taas na niya eh. So I think nasa ganong level na si North Tower natin. So before I show you the latest construction natin, quick information muna tayo about The Oriana. So The Oriana is located along Aurora Boulevard. Okay, so kung familiar kayo kay NCBA School na papagitnaan niya yung dalawang project natin. So the first one is yung RFO project natin si Infinite Towers, while sa other side niya ito yung pre-selling natin si The Oriana. So for this project po, we are building two high-rise residential condominiums that compose of 55 floors per each building. Okay, so both towers na launch na yan for North Tower and South Tower. We were offering a studio unit for South Tower, may available pa, and 2-bedroom units for North Tower and kay South Tower. Okay, and also kagandahan dito sa project na to, malapit siya kay LRT2 Anona Station and LRT2 Katipunan Station, and also may as well malapit rin ito sa upcoming na subway station natin kay Anona Station. So napaka transit oriented development itong project na to, wherein malapit siya sa major transportations natin, especially the LRT line and the subway line na hopefully mag-fully operational ito by 2028, 2029. Yun yung expected target natin eh. So ang gandahan nito, so you can access here from here if you want to go to BGC, if you want to go to Bikutan, or if you want to go to the airport. So mas mabilis na yung travel time natin once na mag-fully operational na yung subway natin. Okay, and also malapit rin ito kay Quezon City, kay Quezon City Hall, kay UP Diliman, malapit rin ito kay Ateneo, kay Miriam, and not only that, malapit rin ito kay EDSA, Cubao, okay? And also kay Farmers Care Gateway, okay? So, tara ngayon, ipapakita ko ngayon na ito yung latest construction natin sa kanya. So, this is the North Tower. So yan, nakikita nyo yan. Andyan yung North Tower natin. So ang taas na niya. Parang last month siya, hindi pa, parang nasa 20th floor pa lang siya. So ito, ayan yung LRT line natin. Okay, so for those who are interested po, nandyan yung numbers ko po. And then, si South Tower, nandito sa katabi niya, medyo nakaharangan lang. Ayan, ayan, nakita nyo. So, parang ang iba yung layout kasi nung land natin dito kay The Oriana, pahaba siya compared with our Infinite Tower. So South Tower ako, tapos ayan yung North Tower niya. Okay, so dito napakaganda ang view niya. So ipapakita ko sa inyo, if ang unit mo is nasa likod, okay, so ito yung magiging view natin. So a lot of my clients who purchased in The Oriana, ito yung pinili nilang view. Okay, so I think may mga available pa. So ayan yung view nila. So right now I'm on the 42nd floor of South Tower. Okay, pero pagka tumaas yung South Tower ni De Oriana, ayan yung South Tower ni De Oriana. So pagka tumaas po yan, ayan na yung view mo. Matatakpan nila itong si South Tower natin actually. So ayan. Okay, so that's facing east, that's Antipolo, where the sun rises. Okay, and then nandito sa side na to si Ateneo. Ayan, nandiyan si Ateneo, and dito sa side na to si UP Diliman, UP. Okay, ayun, so napakaganda ng location nito. Bukod sa transit oriented na katabi niya yung major roads, napakadaling puntahan, and at the same time malapit rin siya sa main road natin kay EDSA and EDSA Cubao. Okay, so yun po. So that concludes my project update for De Oriana. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project po, nandyan yung mga numbers ko po naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. And also, we can schedule an online presentation via Zoom para sa mga clients natin based abroad, or we can schedule site viewing. Pwede natin puntahan itong project na to, wherein dito meron tayong 4 model units na pwedeng ipakita sa inyo. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching po, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video ko YouTube, ay ma-notify po kayo. So, thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.